Hello friends, this is Khan Tutorials and today the topic I am going to discuss is about how to go in C++ Windows form application, how we are going to get switched from one form to another form and to another form to the first form. For this purpose, firstly, I have created a form myform.h and created a button next on it so that we can click so that when we click this button we go to another form. That is this form myform.h. For this purpose, I just go to the myform.h header file program and added myform1.h header files in it, and I just click this button and firstly I hide this form and created the object of the form uh, we are going to switch to. So how we are going to switch is like this. So now I'm going to run the program. So this can you can see that we have switched from my form to my form 1. Now our second task is to come back from my form 1 to my form. So for this purpose we'll do something new. I'm going to pass the reference of this function. This will give an error for a few minutes. I'll resolve it later. In my form1.h, firstly I am going to add a button from which we are going to come back. I'll name this button as back. And here, now I'm going to create a simple form object in it, here, and I'm to create an overloaded constructor of my form 1, and I'm passing form object over here. Simply I'm doing obj is equals to obj1. Now in this button I'm going to hide this form and I'm going to show this form. Now as you can see there is no error right there. So simply run the project. Now I'm going to press next and we are on the next form, and back we are on the first form. So simply what I have done is I have created my form.h. I've added a button on it. I just wrote this simple code. Firstly I did hide this form. Then I have created an object obj1 of my form 1 by adding header file of my form 1. Then I have done obj1.show dialog. This statement shows the next form. Then for the next purpose from coming back to my form.h, I have just passed the reference of my form in the constructor of my form 1, and I've simply created a button over here, and I have done this simple code. This arrow hide will hide this form, second form, and obj.show. Obj is the object, is the pointer or object of myform.h. Simply I have done, I have created an object of form and I have created an overloaded constructor, and I have done obj is equals to obj1. I am giving the reference of the last myform.h to obj. So this is the tutorial. If you have any confusions, you can type in a comment and I will answer this. Thank you.